Enti oba ko dru for Afia Yasanto any Bulldog abe clash ne nyina fa ensem a Bulldog e got na United Showbiz so e got kan say sebe Jesus Christ was a fool.
Jesus was a fool at that point.
No. This statement when a Bulldog e come make on United Showbiz no. Eno na Afia Schwar any Bulldog abe clash. Eno we say Bulldog, how dare you? How dare you Bulldog? Say ode ewiase nyina agenkwa. Enim ebetwetwe fom. Se wo mu ade a. Na enye Jesus Christ nyame doba no ana de konso na guess areto ewo nyame ho na Afia Schwar say areto we de ono ankasa beje no de ama Bulldog said de ese e don Bulldog ada be face ewo media ne so eje fe de agro mema wo chirimu aha Penyah Bulldog media best was say any dey mo obe like video no under ma subscribe button na snap click the notification and latest update na be kire wa adwen de ama me ewo comment section best was obaso no ashi no from so enya bi ashe it work ya Kimpolita ekoye live concert bi ewo UK Emma hodom crowd lady bi Emma the bad energy Emma Kimpolita antim and control the anger I say he was moved with emotions Emma or cassette girl no Emma sebi oyo ma metwa nyina edema legend simple it aseme by no and United Showbiz so on the 6th July 2025 kroya no omuko address issue no na omodi Kimpolita sem no ho nkomo na ekeka mi check Kimpolita na out of nowhere eno mo chippy in the story of Jesus Christ abla ko twen aba ekopo amanfo aso de abla no omoya so de ne eno mu ana Bulldog agents eka say Yesu pa ye sad we power so de mo dia ene sebe Jesus Christ was a fool
maba no free na bai baby e free bai ade so tro bai no fa so tro ko
obi abeti says obi bow out to me born no back.
Yes.
Na no cry, who cry Jesus na odi ni chi. No obi bow aso ma dani we su no bio.
And I progress and so better.
Why progress? Why not Jesus?
Jesus. Maybe some no so here you
there's a progress before Jesus. So Jesus came to correct all that.
Thank you.
The New Testament.
And what I say, can you go do as all them in John chapter 2. 14 eba ko do aso dem kon fa bem bon krofo
e hono na oyefu hono oyefu
we yefu say
aden so say na kuma ba Jesus no
yes
Jesus yes
say na say
oh please
why say they Jesus was a fool at that point.
No.
Hey. Someone named Jesus.
You can't say that. You can't say that. Jesus is a fool.
Jesus was a fool at that point.
No, please.
You don't listen. In psychology, and so bufubo. Obi to me here obi
that
me Jimmy ntini
me ba to can say Jesus say
me bufu for me you want to retract I will retract you Jesus can take me to court
see I will maybe I'm just say retract no you can't say that no you said say you are yes sorry anyame na my so you believe in that
yes
so why are you saying Jesus was
Jesus so nyame you nyame
please
you Jesus
I beg you
Debbie
oh to me ka so
you
listen men ka say Jesus obi afa wo kokot
they can't say Jesus is a fool I say Jesus was a fool.
Why?
Because he lost his temper.
It's actually not an insult.
Yes.
Okay, now yes, we're Jimmy. That time
I said I only Jesus, so stand me meaning Jesus. Who betray me Jesus? Jesus in the Yoko boom crofon and says Obia. Odu Hono, you na gason you mukasa no to mubu no explanation no kasa.
So did you know what happened in here or Debbie Mibisa? Do you know what happened? So why you
there no mu bo chacha omu tonton yo ma and na bufu we say me papa fie na mo yes awo
it bu wudu me ba wo papa fie ye fa say
me nye Jesus o there be me say me ataba bo mu ni atu me nye Jesus
my interest so ye
yes say ye plan ye ka say paluta say no wo baby wo na ke so to ne bu na Jesus say baby wo na ke so to ne bu then
I do not mean so make sure say
who tell me then
abufuo no ya want the limit
nine
abufuo de obi abufuo
mutia na musi nanka esese nanka iwe paluta
na ke paluta Jesus ke paluta
our status
dreadlocks in Savia.
Asoli pay uti aso wa hini 200 locks
Jesus wa kwa nkofo ya de say otobo nti bata okotu nkofo aso dem ye say obebu omo
na me say me na me kan say me
bi bo wansa so no do bo ntu betu be bo no ba
eti me kotu say nkofo to chacha wo ma so dem ya makoto won de edi kan mapam won on ko ma say kotu won biem dia to so me yensa no
Jesus ye na nyesa na si
na esi na say
o mo no start Opposite the Bible neka.
Bible ni ke cha o so ka say
the Bible ka say 3 days about 4 days time no be hu omo. Dem is that na ni bufu ye.
No. Edu ba bia. Boom. So 7 also say buo kwase anso ni na jimi sem.
Thank you.
You see buo kwase ani.
Ni jimi sem.
What does that mean? Like respect the fool and his foolishness.
No, I let the fool so Jimmy so that he on fan say nyansa.
Say nyansa.
Okay.
So it edu baby na wo muwa na ono ba fe say bia oni nyansa.
Okay, but say obu na and say obu no. What you mean na kasa?
Le no kind so mami abuse wo.
Say mami dey Charlie. No different stress.
No.
Emo can speak one Empress Gifty any kum chacha. Try ko mu no be challenge kakra. Amra tine waso ba still no be ogyina no gyina nti omu gya no. Anso ho on the 12th July 2025 kroya. Ana Bulldog ezako PM ewo His FM with Andy Dusty. And as I could repeat statement on making on YouTube, say Jesus Christ was a fool. Or repeat ewo honum ewo okra and the Dusty and the clash.
Proverbs 29:11. Don't lose your cool. If you lose your cool, you are a fool. Simple. So Jesus is not exempt. Because Jesus actually lost his cool because he came in a human form. Nipa ne Jimmy. So nipa we Jimmy. Munfanisa. Yeah, it be me go suffer that.
My biggest disappointment is my very good friend Kumchacha, who watched you make that statement.
Watch me. Oh, why like for punch me?
No, be say for punch.
Like slap me.
No, like if for put you in check.
No, he did.
For you to make a statement like Jesus was a fool.
Yeah, he tried. Even Empress tried.
Even Empress.
Yes. Like, no, they all tried. Go and watch.
What did they do?
They say, "Oh, I've been trained sign. I should put."
If like giving me, I go sack you from the studio.
Oh, I won't.
You have the opportunity right now. What's in the stop you?
Thank you.
No, you have to talk that thing for you.
Jesus is a fool.
Get out of.
I know go. I know go. Unless you assault me.
I don't go assault.
And I go call police for you.
I don't go assault.
I know go.
Be nice.
I know go. I know go.
Thanks for coming.
He lost his cool.
And the Dusty is sacking Bulldog at the moment.
Yes.
What kind of nonsense is
Bulldog
that?
doesn't want to
No,
go.
I won't go. You don't lose your cool. I say Proverbs 29:11.
Oh.
Proverbs 29:11 says, "Fools give full vent to their rage, but the wise bring calm in the end." So that one not they apply to Jesus.
This one not they apply to Jesus.
This one not they apply to Jesus.
No, wait. Where did it happen? It was a holy ground.
Charlie, wherever it is.
For
what reason? What caused him to?
Thank you.
Listen. The Bible says no matter what happens, you should not lose your cool.
Later, Anna Bulldog ever to me say, Paluta small kaya sebi or can't say get no ma mechano. Sem kono and manage Kim Paluta and cover force Paluta monapa chow ever honum.
Yes, he will render an apology. Yes, I'll not come out and call him out publicly. I won't do that. But I'll discuss with him. And you speak a lot with Shatta. Ask him. I'm one of the people in the team that will tell you as it is. Sani me. I can't look elsewhere. I'll not sit back for wrong to be done. It won't happen. I might offer my advice or say what I have to say. You can decide to go contrary to it and you will suffer the consequences. You see, he's saying what? Between me and my God. But Sanyamina no din crofone breo. Sanyamina MC. Sanyamina na Eddie gift bro. In crofona omutua kabesha onu eye onyame no. Hey, Charlie.
Is Paluta calling you?
No. Yeah. This one they be like you use Chat GPT to write.
It be fast, Yeah. I can write faster.
Yeah. You know, so my thing is that call out the person, call out the tomfoolery, call out the behavior,
Spirit.
call out the behavior. Oh, so if I was managing him, definitely by now there'll be some sort of apology out there. But again, and I said it on UTV, bro, I think we should have time to talk about management.
But Abro can say Jesus Christ was a fool. No? Empress Gifty any kumchacha mo can say on patcho. But Bulldog I can say on a party at chopper party. On patcho pane.
You are a different person.
Yes, me mama in Jesus. Also me in Jesus. Oh hard you know.
Brother, what's that?
Babu Esenka will apologize.
Yeah. When you say that,
me apologize to who? Jesus.
Yes, to Jesus.
Hey, Charlie, more serious. Charlie, you see, mommy, I said we are married on.
And they can't a castle. Be castle.
Do every now in Sakim. And then one say.
And you ask them say.
Minu never yasi. Minu never papa.
Also when I go to a man can be shoot to am.
Me no. Me dem Jimmy. Must send me yet rough. Jesus, me expecting more with Jesus.
Empress. For expectation.
A chop papa hon, Debbie. On patcho, wapa chopper. Never say we na Bulldog ekeka. Sebi, if you are seeing na jem kwa ebi ekura muche. A me gini die bi, na se Bulldog timi gina nyame anim. Eka chiri si jem kwa sebi na wo yejimefo. He was a food ya. Afia Schwar say Debbie Bulldog onye nipa. Bulldog onye nipa. Arase, onye nipa. E adwene nipa adwene bi na ne tirimo. Eje na Afia so ni Bulldog abe clash. Na nya no nko awo. Empress Gifty na Bulldog e kan da asem no. One force na amana patcho no. Wagene de. Na fezi Ghana so far is a Bulldog kan asem we no. As obi ayedi enye obi asem enso se nka eye mahama asem ana Bulldog e go kan ya enke benya asofo abe defend. Afia afaya wo mu nyina bi.
About a week ago, and a Bulldog it's na UTV. And I would see Jesus Christ at them. Can't say my Afia. Me to me for my no enka. I can't repeat it. I honor God and respect Him so much that I cannot repeat such words. The host of the show, who happens to be a gospel musician, did not do anything. Wama Bulldog and retract. Wama Bulldog and apologize. The producers of the show did not retract, did not apologize. The Christian community has kept quiet over such utterances about Jesus Christ. You see, until you learn how to defend the kingdom of God, God will not listen to your prayers. You are quick to defend your flag bearer. You are quick to defend your political party, but yet they so do one no ebe defend Jesus Christ. Anything waba why dey why no. Na Gifty, o start show me friend na me catch say Gifty. Akonya na watena so no wan hwe ya. By the time I be you free say akonya no so no. Now o calling we frase. I can afford for one hwe. As a gospel musician, ultimate snase. And will be free Jesus Christ to stop it. One can someone apologize to the Christian community. You did not apologize to anybody. And my someone I watch it. Say a John Maham and a Bulldog can once a man. The management and the producers will apologize. But because Christians are the only group of people that anybody can walk on. And you know, it is all good. It is all right. Next week, gospel musician na betra say pancake can't send for movie pass Jesus Christ na obi to was sending kwase and onyame from na mo bone enchemo onyame on for Christo ni bia so waka na no atum e wa asemi ho e bone enchem. Ghanaian Christian Council, you should be ashamed of yourself. Pentecostal Council, you should all be ashamed of yourself. The so-called pastors in Ghana, you should be ashamed. I spit on that stupid calling you call. If you sit down for somebody to say that about Jesus Christ, nobody should carry a poor foolish man. Bulldog be an anoka send and I do be and me issue disclaimer. And they are back and forth. I'm like, you cannot tell a certain president, so will be done. And me, Afia, I am not here. Me can't so I am issuing a disclaimer. I am not here. I said na Bulldog Kano and Nyama Jenny. I said that on TV. Do you know that they all went to court? They were all summoned to Accra High Court, including Nana Mama Brown, over that comment Bulldog said. When you nipa wa court ni bi. When you nipa ya friend of court. Me wada for me court. Yes, wo court. Na lawyer na judge no or kwa me voice. Me wada for court. Why is the father? Omo ni na court. Me wada for ye duma court no mo ko ye no. Yes, so omo betna sia na judge ne bo me voice. Na wo bisa wo mo. Senti mo tse wo no. I fear issue disclaimer no na mo ye den. So wo bi ka asam na wo ne ne nya adwene. Dia wo ka no enye wo wa adwene a wo ka wo ntu. Immediately you issue disclaimer. Sa same way a wo ka no me miniha na wo ka sa asam no ena nyama adwene asam ba mfreme. Me see asam we me ba video no ma ba chero. They were all marched to Accra High Court. They were all marched to Accra High Court. Over Bulldog, near Kana Mwana Sam and a Bulldog, Ebeka, so women and I do it. They all went to Accra High Court. And I think they were fine. This is 4 years ago. Muntie, a cartoon momento. Because Bulldog no way Jimmy, and I made say one, yeah, Penyah Sam, and me Makwasiasa, and Kofasa Mummy. May build Jimmy case into Munya, but then I may build the case.
After this fufu and pepper soup, I go score goals like them the dash points.
May church when you the government shuts down an illegal hospital. You people
what is she saying? You're not even listening.
You see me on a quiet doctor the documentary. Say or you think
why you digressing?
Abortion and Yaa Yeboah too. How can you go to a financial institution and tell me government let's say we go
the business place that's what are you?
Your plan. Yes. I tell my producer, he should take his kidney and go. Because your father, Jumana, was saying to our. They need your mom. I don't even know him. I don't even know that club.
I'm going to see the president of
this is what I want you people to listen. I didn't pass Muntie.
That's none of your business. You said don't put words in my mouth. You just said it. Don't put words in my mouth. You just said the president cannot finish his point. So what? I'm going to see the president of the Nobody will call you as a witness.
Thank you very much. So let's move on.
What are you talking? What are you talking about?
Okay, share me. You know what? Share with me your thoughts. You know what? I need that. Obi and one I'm saying I will not sit here for you to threaten a sitting president. Because Penyah. Now me ma would Jimmy now. Common sense say when common sense is raining, you use an umbrella. Me ma wo for Jimmy. and for me to us. Same way, some video where I may born on camera now and see the phone. Because as a radio presenter, make me say before I guess every long studio. Me, this video I'm showing you people 4 years ago. Nana my grandma when I am actually one court. They were sent to Accra High Court, and they were told what I know. So what's that say? MOB will be a temp. Now where issue disclaimer say enyama junior e ya na wo didi ni papaten. In fact e ya seme wo wutirim a wuntimi nka e na wa kwesi ahye obia no se wonka yankoya ni last week United Showbiz last week
oh, video dia bisa beri berapa orang? Nah,
What's in there, man? What saw them come from them
India and the Lord. Please. Now I said we have access we go out to the bottom back. Yes. Now look around Jesus now do it. How we go as man that we so number you. And I progress and so much now running progress. I can't Jesus. I said progress before Jesus. So Jesus came to correct all. Thank you. And the New Testament. I said, can you see that I said go to John chapter 2. 14 ever. Go to them come find them bring crofo a whole lot of food. I don't know where food. Where the food say I don't know there's a na kuma ba. Jesus, yes. Please. Now I said Jesus was a fool at that point. You can't say that. You can't say that.
Nobody. These people sit down and talk about people's life. These are people who sit down and judge people and talk about people's life. Bulldogs made this statement, and nobody was able to say, this is not my mind. But gospel musician I am apologizing to the Christian community. I am apologizing to my viewers. Nobody on that stupid pundits was able to even issue a simple disclaimer. A simple disclaimer. Said you can imagine. Nobody. After Musanti, you are what's now on I can't to me assemble. I didn't change Monday, no. United Showbiz for I bet sure letter I apologize say to me. But they don't see the need that they've given somebody a platform to insult all Christians. Management, no respect, no acknowledgement. Obia, it is okay. It is okay for Bulldog to sit down and call Jesus Christ names in a so-called Pentecost elder platform, and everybody is quiet. And everybody, I intentionally didn't talk about it because I was giving everybody the benefit of the doubt. Say they might come and apologize to yesterday on the show, but what happened? They have moved past Jesus, whatever. Christian community will be a kananotu. Ghanaian pastors are turned into politicians, fighting with politicians up and down. Somebody can make such a blasphemous utterances on national TV, prime time TV, and nothing has been said about it. The question is, when will Christians sit down for them to be walked on like this? Wait me from Muhammad. Can Bulldog say this about even an imam in Ghana? Can Bulldog mention one imam in Ghana and call him a fool and see what will happen in 12 hours? And you guys haven't boycotted the show. As a Christian, what kind of Christians are you? Kofi Odro, on the new Yasin na Yedibu wine. What's here now on tape? I'm just asking. I am just asking. Kofi Odro, what's here now on tape? I'm just asking for the organization. And all the pastors, so-called godfathers of the nation. Omati so bit sewo. I see yes you fool and I don't want it. I don't want it. Because Jesus is not a political party in power. So Jesus will not give you contracts. Jesus will not give you diplomatic passport. And everybody is quiet. Obieni sheka. Yesterday, they came to discuss people. But I was thinking that the first topic would have been the stupid idiot called Bulldog that is always taking them to court. Mrs. Sad disclaimer now. Jimmy for no man in country say they all went to court but me. They all went to court but me. Because me men sama for Jimmy I'm a chiming kojina baby amenko. This is what Bulldog said about Jesus.
What is your take on that? As my Bulldog you know, how do you see it? Ube comment section. How you Penyah Blog Media. Background.